There are different ways to visualize time series data. You can click the links in the description below to watch those videos. Right now, let's learn how to create sparklines in Excel, particularly line sparklines. So stay tuned. The original data shows cumulative number of confirmed cases related to coronavirus or COVID-19. It has 264 rows or location. Our time series data starts with January 22 and ends with May 13. Out of that data, we choose only 10 countries. To make the chart, instead of cumulative number of confirmed cases, we need the confirmed cases per day. The new confirmed cases of Brazil on May 1 of 5,015 is computed as 92,222 in May 1 minus 87,187 in April 30. The same formula will be applied to the rest of the dates and countries. We have this table with new confirmed cases per day. To create sparkline chart, go to Insert, then go to Sparkline section. We have three options. This time, we will choose Line. A dialog box will open. Select the cells that contain the range of data. Press Enter in your keyboard. For location range, click this arrow and select the cells where you want to put the sparklines. Click this arrow or press Enter in your keyboard, then click OK. Now we have sparklines for each country. Click any of the sparklines and it will select all the 10 sparklines. Under Sparkline Tools, Design tab, go to Show section. Putting a check mark on high point will mark the highest value on a certain time range. For example, Germany has the highest point marker in the middle of the chart, which corresponds to the highest value on May 7. Placing a check mark on low point will mark when the lowest value happened on a certain date range. The lowest number of new confirmed cases of coronavirus in Germany happens on early part of May, which corresponds to May 4. Clicking this arrow will give us choices of styles. Let's choose this one. Click again any of the sparklines will bring you to Design tab. By going to Sparkline Color, you can change the color of the line. We can change also the thickness of the line by clicking any of the sparklines. Go to Sparkline Color, then Width. Let's choose 1.5 points. Now lines are more visible. We can also change the colors of the markers. Go to Marker Color. We can change the color of the high point marker. Since high point means high number of coronavirus cases, we choose red. Go again to Marker Color. This time, change the color of the low point into blue. Selecting all the location cells and going to Home tab will help us to change the color of those cells. This looks better, right? Now, it's time to analyze the data. If we look at the total number of confirmed cases on May 13, USA and Italy are two of those countries that have high numbers, suggesting a bad situation. However, sparklines will give us a different story. Between May 1 to May 13, both USA and Italy got their highest number of new cases on May 1, but both of them also got lowest number of new cases on last few days of our data. Both are on May 11. The lines of both countries show a decreasing number of new cases. If this pattern will continue in coming days, then this is good news for both countries. It has the same pattern with United Kingdom. Looking at the total confirmed cases as of May 13, Brazil and Iran have lower number of cases compared to USA and Italy, but sparklines again tell a different story. Both countries experience lowest number of new cases on early May, and both of them have highest number of new cases on May 13. The sparklines show increasing number of new cases per day. Now, why not presenting only the first two columns? We will hide the next columns. But wait, Where's our sparklines? Don't worry, there's a solution. Click the undo sign to bring back those columns. Click again any of the sparklines. Go to Design tab. Go to Edit Data, then select Hidden and Empty Cells. A dialog box will appear. Place check mark on Show Data in Hidden Rows and Column, then click OK. Let's hide again those columns. Now our spark lines are still here. That's it. This is a very informative and interesting way of visualizing data. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more updates. To know more about time series data visualization, click these end screens. Thanks for watching.